LFMD stock analysis Thursday and onwards. Is this thing really a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end. With LifeMD, it's a great $9.60 level. Honestly, with 12% increase in price, I really like it. This is how it's looking like because my prediction beforehand was on point. There we go. This is 2 months back, 12th of March. All I looked to do was really, again, still buy. I mean, the reality and the truth here is that it was sitting at $55.53 at the time, and unironically, I'm still looking to double down on this. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm still waiting for the rules. But since we took the highs out, let me just, my bad, let me just mark up the top. Yeah, this is very nice. And buying the top specifically, it's not gonna happen. But yeah, if I see corrections down, pull downs, and my rules are met, then yeah, sure. But for that, I'll keep you updated. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.